Hello, this is Math 283, Calculus 3, Section 4001. We're doing a syllabus review here. My name is Jeff Downs. I'm the instructor for the class. My email address is jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. My homepage is listed, but last time I checked it wasn't working due to the updates that the college is doing with their webpage, so we'll see if it comes back to life. My office is Aspen 224 on the Carson campus. And my phone number is 775-445-4400. My office hours are going to be, now this has changed a little bit from what I originally planned, so it may change again. I'm trying to accommodate some other things going on at the college. But right now I have planned for Tuesday from 12:30 to 2, Wednesday 9:30 to 10:30 a.m., and 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. Then Thursday 9:30 to 11. Prerequisites: Math 182 or the equivalent, or consent to the instructor. Course description covers infinite series, vectors, differential and integral calculus of functions of several variables, and introduction to vector analysis. Course objectives and linkage to college education, to general education program, The information in the parentheses after the course objectives refers to specific general education learning objectives that the objective meets. Objectives without this information are not linked to WNC's general education program. Students who pass this course must demonstrate they can apply the techniques of differential and integral calculus to scalar functions of several variables. That means we get to integrate not just with respect to x or t or whatever, but it might be x, y, z. It's really cool. It's really fun. It's not bad. Don't stress about it. Apply the techniques of elementary vector analysis to solve problems in 2 and 3 dimensions. Apply the techniques of vector calculus to solve problems in 2 and 3 dimensions. Linkage to college mission: apply mathematical analytical problem-solving skills in vectors, double integrals, triple integrals, cylindrical and spherical coordinates, and partial derivatives. It's a 4-credit class, transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. Linkage to college mission: provide instruction that contributes to students' ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. So our textbook is here, it's 10th edition. So if you've been taking Calculus 1 or 2 at our college, you probably already have the textbook, or you've used WebAssign. But it's the same textbook we've been using, and all the instructors use the same textbook for Calculus. So you have these options here. And if you want to do your homework and exams online, you need to have WebAssign for that. Supplies: a text, a TI graphing calculator. Encouraged. It's optional but encouraged. So diagrams on TI-89, I may show some with that, but I might start using Desmos more for showing some examples. Grading scale A, B, C, D, F is pretty standard. We have a midterm, 10 discussion postings, 5 chapters of homework. That's going to be chapters 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Quizzes, 10 at 10 points each for 100 points, and then a final 1 or 200 points. If you have had me before, it's the same kind of grading scheme we've had before. So there'll be a midterm due on October 17th, 2017. The midterm must be completed in WebAssign or Canvas. The midterm covers chapters 11, 12, and 13. If you're part of a fast track section, your high school requires a proctored exam. Your midterm must be a proctored paper exam. If you're part of a Jumpstart section, your exam will be on paper and proctored by the Jumpstart coach. Now, I've tried to look into everyone earlier than the start date to see if this applies, and I don't think it does, but if it does, please let me know. Discussions: you must post at least 10 substantive discussion postings in Canvas. Each posting is worth 10 points for a maximum of 100 points. And your first one should be your introduction about yourself. Hi, I'm so-and-so. Here's who I am, what I like to do. Homework. Homework is due as a chapter. Homework may be completed on paper or online through WebAssign. For paperwork, see the homework assignment list, and I have 11, 12, and 13 done now, and it's also done in WebAssign. And they're the same problems, whether you do it in WebAssign or on paper, the exact same problems. Each chapter is worth 40 points for a total of 200 points. So 5 times 40 is 200. I will be working to get chapters 14 and 15 done hopefully this week, because I like to have all that stuff done. The website for login for online homework is listed there. The class key is WC33885148. So see that in there. Quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will count toward the grade. If you're part of a fast track section and your high school requires a proctored quiz, your quizzes must be proctored and on paper. Final exam will be a final exam due on December 12, 2017. The final exam will cover chapters 14 and 15. Note, if you are part of a fast track section and your high school requires a proctored final exam, your final exam must be a proctored paper exam. If you're part of a jumpstart section, your exam will be on paper and proctored. Attendance. There is no attendance for this class, but students must post 10 postings to the discussion boards, including your first one being your introduction. Also, students should keep pace with the class. Students failing to log into Canvas or respond to instructor emails for 2 weeks may be dropped from the class. Ethics statement. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert. Please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Gary Schwartz at gary.schwartz@wnc.edu. Disability statement. Western Nevada College supports providing equal access for students with disabilities. This syllabus is available in alternate format upon request. Susan Trist, the DSS coordinator, is available to discuss appropriate academic accommodations that students may require. Please contact Susan Trist. There's her number and email address at your earliest convenience. There's a list of important dates, and here's our tentative schedule of what we're going to cover. So it is chapters 11, 12, 13, and then we have a midterm, 14 and 15. So we are covering quite a bit, and it's pretty heavy-duty stuff, so we need to stay on pace with this class. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you